So the upcoming POCO M8 Power has just appeared in hands-on photos and renders. The standout color is a vibrant orange finish alongside traditional black and silver color options. Around the back, the phone features flat sides and a large rectangular camera island with two oversized circular rings and a prominent 50MP branding. According to the details, the POCO M8 Power would feature a massive 7-inch flat AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a centered punch hole camera. Under the hood, it's expected to be powered by a Snapdragon 4 series 5G chipset. Some sources claim it's the 4 Gen 4, but of course none of these are confirmed yet. While the headline feature is the enormous 8000 mAh battery, which POCO claims can deliver up to 3 days of heavy usage, and it's paired with 45 watts fast charging to reduce downtime. The phone is tipped to feature a 50MP main camera. If you take a closer look at the camera island, you'd see the 50MP branding. I already mentioned this. So it's expected to have a 50MP main camera with an AI-assisted dual camera setup. Interestingly, it appears to share much of its hardware DNA with the Redmi Note 17, but with POCO's signature styling and software optimizations aimed at maximizing battery endurance. The details also reveal the official release date, which is set to be on the 4th of August 2026. So these are the current details of the POCO M8 Power 5G. If I get more details about the device, I will definitely share with you guys. So make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.